And it sounds ace as well. Hello, welcome back to another video. Today you join me from a 2012 Audi S5. So the S5 has a 3-litre V6 engine which is supercharged, that produces 330 horsepower, 440 newton meters of torque, driven through. This one has a 7-speed DSG gearbox, and obviously it's got all-wheel drive system. It's got the Quattro system, which all the S and RS models do anyway in the Audi range. So yeah, quite excited to drive this one. My brother had an S4 for a bit, which took me out in and had a different exhaust and stuff on it. It was mental. It sounded awesome. So yeah, quite excited to drive this actually today. Really, really nice. I'm a bit of an Audi fanboy, if I'm honest with you. I do like the Audi range, especially the RS3. RS3 is probably one of my dream cars. But anyway, I'm not going to bore you with that rubbish. Yeah, so anyway, back to the S5. So this is the soft top version as well. It has some nice 19-inch optional alloy wheels as well, which are really nice, finished in black. Yeah. So the S model is sort of in between your normal standard Audis and your RS model, which is the full nuts spec basically. But these are still really quick. Haha. Yes, I love it. So obviously this has got a V6, so therefore I love it automatically. It's just one of those things. Obviously because it's GSG as well, you get what you call the DSG farts, which is really cool in between the gears. It blips. Yeah, really nice. Obviously this one's got, it's all standard, it's all standard exhaust, etc. But if you have like a back box delete, or even just a resonator delete, which is the middle pipe, these sound amazing. They sound really, really cool. And what my brother used to say, they sounded quite exotic, and I sort of say what he means. They do sound a bit almost V10ish when they've got different exhausts and stuff on them. Quite high pitched. They sound really, really cool. This one also as well has the flat bottom steering wheel, which I love. I think it really finishes off the cockpit in here. It's 2012, so yeah, you know, sort of 7 years old by now. But still, I find it still retains its age almost. I think it still fits into sort of normal, you know, current day cars, I find. So while I'm stuck in traffic, let's talk about the interior a bit. So it's all leather. This one obviously has as well, it has the optional carbon pack, which means you get all carbon around the surround here. You get carbon on the side of the doors as well. The rest of it is all leather, majority of it, or aluminium. So nice, it's very, very nice interior. Audi are obviously well known for their interiors. They are one of the best out there. Yeah, really, really nice place to sit. Got the seat currently in the lowest position, really nice setting. These seats are lovely, like sports seats, sort of like tombstone seats almost. But yeah, really sporty, but also really hugging and really comfortable as well. So you've got sort of the best of both worlds. Again, like I said, these are sort of in between normal and the sort of RS version seats, which are a bit more winged back. But yeah, no, these are really comfortable. Ride quality is really good actually. So I've got the car currently in dynamic mode, which is like the sportiest setting. So the gears hold on to the gears. They're really sharp gears are instant. Yeah, it's amazing. How instant is incredible. So yeah, what I don't get with this car though is that on the sides of the car it's obviously got V6T, which doesn't make any sense because it's not turbocharged, it's supercharged. So I think a lot of people would probably get confused if they saw it on the side of the road and think, oh, that's turbocharged. It's not, it's actually supercharged. So yeah, so the power's a bit more linear than the turbo. There's not so much turbo lag as such. So the supercharger helps the engine all the way along through all the gears, all the way up to the sort of rev limit almost. But yeah, rev limit is about 6,000. RPM is the maximum rev amount. Quite a cold day today. Roads are dry though, which is the main thing. Obviously it wouldn't really matter because this car's got a Quattro system anyway. So you can drive it in all conditions, and that's what I really like about Audi, especially the sports and the RS models, is that obviously because they've got the Quattro systems, you can drive it all year round with not, no worries almost. Snow, rain, sleet, ice, it's never really a big issue. For that reason, a lot of people find them quite boring, because they're almost so safe, if you know what I mean. But I quite like that, you can drive it hard when you want to, and you can drive it slow when you want to as well. So yeah, give you guys an idea. Go to manual mode. So obviously you've got the normal DSG sports mode and the manual mode, which holds on to the gears until you change them. Oh wow. It is, it's quite a big car. It's a heavy car, especially with the Quattro system. They are very heavy cars, but actually it's quite nimble on its feet. You've only got in sports mode, the steering is instant. This it's not. Yeah, very good. Brakes really good, solid. No issues there, no sponginess, instant. Like I said, you just you change a tiny bit of that exhaust system, you get so much more sound out of it. It's unbelievable. These cars are obviously massively tunable as well. You can do so much to them. Finally, open road. Oh wow. Unbelievable. And the gears, instant, absolutely instant. Sticks to the road, this thing. Oh, I know that. Drop it down the gear. Nice Porsche 924 in front of me. 924S actually. No, actually it's a 944S, sorry. Nice spec as well. So this particular car has done just under 100,000 miles. It's got full service history, and to be fair, I wouldn't really worry about it because it's an Audi. As long as you keep an Audi fully serviced and you maintain it when you need to, these cars will do twice that easy, no problem. It's such a solid car in terms of engine as well, especially the S5 and the S4s, etc. They've got solid engines. You would have definitely heard that DSG then. And go. It spins you in the back of your seat. Obviously the Quattro system is very, very good as well. It'll sort of move power to where it needs to. So usually when you put the power down, it tends to move the power a lot to the back. Although these cars are usually sort of 60-40 split in terms of rear wheel drive and front wheel drive. Tend to put a lot of the power to the front wheels. Yeah, you can sort of feel it shift power a bit, but yeah, very, very impressive system. Like I said, Quattro system is one of the best four-wheel drive systems around, if not the best. So you feel pretty safe in any condition. Love when you drop down the gear and it blips back up. I just love it. But anyway, I'm going to stop the video there because the roads are so rubbish and I can't really show you the true potential of the car. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Massive thank you to Modern Road Cars for lending me the car for a couple of hours to be able to do this review. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and if you want to see more, plenty more videos to come as usual, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.